We are back at the Peppermill Casino in Reno, Nevada with NG Slot going in with a second round at the dealers. And looks like he started with 20. It looks like he's up 23. So $3,000 total to 23,000. And let's hop into it. Let's have some fun. Go over to NG's channel. Give him a like, subscribe, guys. Let's hop into it.
Okay, guys. So we are going to cut the shoe and start. And here we go. So the last shoe I start with 20 grand. And we are up $3,000. So this is the profit for this session, guys.
It's pretty
good. I'm going to start with two hand.
Oh, let's accommodate. What do you guys think?
Hope you guys have a wonderful day and you are safe and well.
Peppermill used to be purple.
Here we go. Thanks so much.
Like the chips. Purple and black.
So the minimum is table is 300 and max 5,000, guys.
Ugh, that gave me a bad taste in my mouth at that beginning.
All right, let's get a 7-8 here.
14.
All right, let's try one hand, guys. We just lost 1,600.
Ooh.
Oh,
perfect
no
bet.
way!
No.
What's the chance to have blackjack?
That sucks.
One hand.
God, what suckness.
All right, perfect. 18. All right, finally we won. We're gonna leave the bet. Blackjack. I would take that to like even money.
Bets. That's great.
I know, right?
That's great.
All right. Now let's do $400 a hand. Perfect. So 600. I'm gonna hit on this one.
16.
Stay.
Nice.
Perfect. I screw up.
Jeez. Well, what are you gonna
I
do,
was
man?
sure it's gonna be small card. I was like 99% sure it was gonna small. Lady in the red. Up. Small. Woo. Look at this one, guys. You know what? How many hands we last? 3 hand draw. Yeah, I just lost 3 hand draw.
If he would have stayed
So let's go.
at
We're
that
gonna
last
push
end,
only
she would
there.
have bust. So
Here we go. 4-5.
Oh,
Let's
buddy.
go 4-5.
Oh,
Perfect.
nice.
All right. How much we have there? But I don't know, like 3 grand maybe.
You might not like his style, man, but
26. Almost.
2,600. All right,
26.
perfect. 2,600, and boom. That's a $5,200 swing. Guys, you can check out all those
Orange
crazy
out?
high limit actions. Yes, at my NG Slot YouTube channel to see with how much I start and how much I won or how much I lost. All right.
That's a good hit.
That was a nice one, yeah.
that was.
I just kind of got mad. I lost like 3 hand draw. I said, you know what? I'm gonna just do that. So,
This one.
yep, let's go. Oh, that's not.
I felt
so
some
we just won
shenanigans.
previous hand, guys. I put 2,600. We won.
I felt some shenanigans
Left
with
my
that
bet
card
and
flop.
we got a 16. Let's get a 4 or 5.
18.
Big one?
All right, I will
Okay.
take it. Let's push.
Got a hit on your 16s.
I'm gonna just take off this bet. I don't feel it's gonna be something, so let's do this one. Yeah, I knew he's not gonna pay.
You guys
We are
got
going to make it right now, guys.
Everybody bashes
hand.
on it, man. I like him. He's fun.
1,000 each.
And I like his like all over betting. It's kind of, dude, look at this. Let's see. Come on.
Okay,
let's
so
see.
guys, at Peppermill Reno, we can just split the aces only just one time. In Vegas, we do 4 times, but here it's only 1 time. So let's go, guys. We have $1,000 a hand, and I'm gonna split my aces. We have a 20 here, and
Gets a 19.
let's do down. Anyway, I can't split any more.
Okay, let's go. 18.
Oh shoot! So I just lost $1,000 on this hand. I won here and I lost 2 here, so it's down 1,000.
Gotta do it. But you gotta.
We are going to make a 3-hand, 1,000 each.
Nice.
$59 for blackjack. These 2 ones just stay.
Stay.
Yep. Picture. No. So I just lost 5 funny there on this hand. It's not going well.
Still playing with profit though.
She doesn't get buzzed.
No funny business.
19.
Wow. That's not cool.
That was funny business. I didn't like it.
Let's do again 3 hands. Actually, here is the 8 on it.
He's pulling good cards, man.
That's a 12 funny there.
Big one.
And boom, finally.
Just gotta keep
Give me the luck,
pressing.
please.
Oh, black.
Yes. That's a 8. So we are gonna put our here those blacks. We are gonna keep going with 800 each. $19.
Nice.
And
Let's do it.
we are gonna split. Let's get the 2
down,
pictures.
sir?
Up.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Should be a win all around hand, man.
One pays the other.
Yep.
Push.
And this one pays. Oh, it's a push. Okay. So we just lost again 800.
Yeah, so you
Yep.
push that one.
Yeah, I just lost this one.
Yeah, you push this one. You want.
Yeah.
So then you lost.
Yeah, she doesn't understand. It's like I lost one.
Okay, let's go. Let's get a 9. I think I should have a 21 to beat you.
15. 20.
Ace.
15.
6.
17.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll take it. Again, break even, guys.
Maybe bring it down to 2.
Let's give our 2,400 bets.
These dealers need to chill for a minute. Get like confirmation.
Oh, thank you so much.
Don't touch my chips. Do an Uno reverse on that.
17.
18, 17.
So we are gonna split those bucket of 2s. Perfect.
Nice. 6.
Okay. Just buzz this time.
Okay.
No. Okay. So we just lost here and I won there. So again push, guys.
Push,
We
yeah.
lost 2 hand and I won 2 hand. So we are doing great job, hitting all the records for the push. Better than last.
Eight, 18, 19, 16,
16.
20.
20. Nice.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I should have a 21 to beat you.
Yeah. I mean,
Ooh. You know what? We are gonna do this. Let's change something.
was that 2,000?
$1,900 bet.
Okay. Good timing. Come on, 10. Yes.
So 1,900 there. Alright. After this hand, guys, I'm going to make a $3,800 bet. Let's go. Let's double up our bet. Let's get a blackjack, please. Blackjack! Oh! Shoot. That's not true.
That
Which is
sucks.
$3,800 there. But we are break even for the session, guys. We start with 20 grand and we have a 20 grand.
What? How many 14s can you have? No,
That's freaking unbelievable.
that is dumb.
Okay. The 100,000.
$16?
I'm not gonna hit this time, just to change something.
Can you blame him? That's 2,000.
So we have a $2,000 bet, guys, and I'm gonna double down this 11. Let's do face down, please. Picture.
22.
Unbelievable, guys. 12, 13, 16, and 20. That's nuts, man. We have to change it around. Let's go.
It's stressful, man. I thought he was going to do it.
2,000.
I thought he was going to put that whole stack in.
Let's do $2,000 bet. All right.
Oof, barely.
Keep it going, guys.
Blackjack.
I have a 17 against a 7, so I'm gonna just take, guys.
Okay, let's see what happens. All right.
I don't want to screw up my bet.
All right.
Shoot, man. Let's do 200, 2,000 each.
Nine, 19. Oh.
Wow, man. That's crazy. Let's do $1,500 each.
Oh, that's brutal. That's brutal. Do you double the 11? Of course you do.
Alright, so we have a 20 here. Let's do face up. Lady in the red. Perfect. Jack in the red.
12.
Alright, guys, that's a nice
Oh my
round.
gosh.
9,000 swing. Alright, perfect. Beautiful line.
Shuffle.
You can check out the full session at my Just Lobby. So let's see what we have here, guys. That was crazy roller coaster, right? So that's a 9 grand.
That was a bad beat.
Wow, absolutely break-even session, guys.
No
We
way.
start with 23,000. Here we go. That's 5. Okay, so 17. Oh, actually no, guys. We have a 20 grand here. So I start this episode with 23,000, but I start yesterday episode I start with 20 grand. So we are break even for overall this blackjack session. Just this shoe I am down 3,000. So I will see you during shoe number 3, guys, tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, everyone.
That was brutal. That was brutal. I mean, there were a lot of people don't like the way he plays. I don't mind it. I mean, no matter what you can do, the house always has like some sort of advantage. It seems like, like he said, you have to get 21 in order to beat him. And I mean, he got close every time. It was 20, 19, splitting at the right times, and still down. All right, guys. That being said, love you. I'll see you on the flip side. See ya.